Less than 2 weeks from now, Sony will be announcing their brand new A95M QD-OLED TV, the M series that will be an upgrade to the L series QD-OLED TV for this year. It's not yet confirmed, but I'm telling you right now, the M series is on its way. It will be talked about in 2 weeks' time. They will probably showcase it in 2 weeks time at the CES event. The A95M will be a successor to this year's A95L. There will be some key upgrades that I'm expecting. First of all, there will be an improvement in its picture engine that is going to come with. There will also be the fact that it's going to have a very slim bezel. There will be the fact that it will maintain quite a similar base to the current A95L. Picture quality might be slightly tweaked so we get better perfection out of it. You know, the A95L is already very good and very perfect. There isn't much of an issue with the picture quality with this model, at least the A95L. I'm actually very happy with the A95L. One other thing I can expect with this new model, the A95L, will be would actually the A95M will be an upgrade in its sound performance. I think they'll work more on this acoustic surface and this acoustic surface technology. They will give you better speakers inside. It's going to sound a lot better, a lot more dynamic. And then the major thing is the fact that it's going to be a big rival to the upcoming LG G4 as well as the Samsung S95D model. So this is going to be a huge upgrade to the A95L. There will be the fact that you still maintain Dolby Vision. You will have HDR10 plus, actually HDR10. There won't be HDR10 plus, but then again, I'm only hoping that they could try to have HDR10 plus on this new model that is coming out, so that they'll be able to cover all the high dynamic range formats that is currently available on the market right now. But I don't think they will add HDR10 plus. The only thing I know they will still maintain is Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, and filmmaker mode. They will have all that. There will still be the Sony Bravia core set up with it, so you can get the best of movie streams online that you can find. You can also game online with it. It will offer you the best setting and also one of the best OS setup that you can go for right now. So I will tell you this for free: if you want the very best TV right now, just wait for the Sony A95M QD-OLED TV, as well as the upcoming A90M OLED TV, because they will release these two models next year. You just have to be patient. They might even also have the A80M model. They might even have that next year. So I will only keep my eyes out for these releases by January. In the next 2 weeks, they will showcase them at the CES event. So that's it. Just do subscribe to the channel, do like our content, follow us here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much next